Basically, it's asking if the stars are so bright that it's going to interrupt sleep or make it hard to go to sleep. Absolutely not. The paint is the brightest in the first 10 minutes after shutting the lights off that you use to charge them. So you're probably going to look at the stars for at least 10 minutes. And by that time, they're going to be so mellow that, I mean, most people fall asleep looking at the stars. Even if you were to close your eyes a minute after turning the charging lights off, once you close your eyes, you're not going to see them. The paint is subtle enough that you're not going to notice it. And but then if it does, just don't charge them up when you're getting ready to go to sleep, or charge them up and take off the lights 30 minutes before you go to sleep. Then by the time you're in there, they're going to be dim. But I have never had anybody tell me, even people that were worried about it, they were worried about this keeping them up, they just said, not a problem. They closed their eyes and they were gone. But most people like to look at them and then just drift off to sleep without even realizing it.